All right, everyone, let's begin the class. Right. So, in the last session, we discussed about heaviness and lightness of object, who is heavier and who is lighter, right? And I had asked you to do some simple addition subtraction of weights. Yes, like you checked for how much weight you have put on during the lockdown, right? You have done it. I hope everyone got their answers. How many of you have gained weight and how many of you have lost the weight? Yes, there. And we discussed about it, right? The ones had come up with interesting answers. Yes, and everyone else also, right? Some of you have put on weight, some of you have lost some weight, which is fine. Okay, now before we get on to the to other topics, right, first let's learn how the weight is measured, right? Swarnim Arya, can you tell me what is your weight? Unmute karo.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is your weight? How much do you weigh?
मम्मा मम्मा मेरा वेट कितना है? मेरा वेट हाँ मेरा वेट कितना है? 27.
27 what? 27 potatoes, 27 watermelons, 27 bananas,
27 kg.
27 kg. Yes. Why we put kg behind it? Can anyone tell me? Can someone tell me? Why do we put kg behind it? Yes? Anyone? Right? What is kg? Yes, there. Gadir wants to say something. Yes, there.
kg is kilogram.
Kg is kilogram. Yes, very good. That is correct. Kg is kilogram. Kilo means 1000. Okay, remember this. This is something which I am going to ask you later on. 1 kilo is 1000. Okay, and then the gram. Okay, yes. So gram or kilogram, these are called units of measurement. What are they? Unit. What is it? Everyone speak up. Unit. Let me write it for you on Jamboard, right? What are we going to do is, yes, come on. What is it called? Unit. Come on, everyone, right? Note it down in your notebooks with today's date, right? 0709/2020, 7 September 2020. Units of weight, right? Measurement. Okay, units of weight measurement. Okay, yes, this is the heading. Come on, put it down, right? So like I said, see, just before a few minutes, Swarnim said my weight is 27, but she didn't say the word, right? Which is the word kilogram. Okay, so without that unit, what are we talking about, right? We don't know. Like I asked, 27 potatoes, bananas, watermelons, what? And these were non-standard units back in the day, when the world was not well organized, when the people were not well learned, right? They used to have different comparison of weight, है ना? Right? We can say that someone is heavier than me, someone is lighter than me, but in terms of specific numbers, in terms of when you are doing mathematical calculation, when you are buying something, right, you need to be sure of units. And that is why the unit of measurement, right, the common unit, the standard unit, right, standard unit of measurement, standard unit of measurement is kilogram, right? Sorry, kilogram. Okay, yes, right? Or in short form, it is also written as kg. Okay, It is written as kg. Yes sir, which book? In the notebook, Siddhi, in the notebook. Yes, okay, in the no, we can write it in the notebook. Yes, of course you have to write it in the notebook. Come on, do it fast. Kilogram. Now kilogram is the standard unit, right? Like I said, it is the standard unit, right? And then there are made up units or converted units. Okay, yes, come on everyone, note it down. Okay, next we are going to the next slide. So like I said, other smaller unit of weight, another smaller unit of weight is gram. Okay, and it is written as small g. Come on everyone, note this down. Gram. Okay, g. Okay, note it down quickly. Yes everyone, done, right? Yes, so we have got kg or kilogram and gram. Okay, we have got kg and g. So I'm going to ask someone. Yes, where are we with Cheetal Parekh, Daksha Dalsania. Yes Daksha, unmute yourself. Yes, Daksha Dalsania, unmute yourself. No, I cannot hear you. Okay, Yug Patel. Yug Patel. Yes. What is 1 kilo mean? 1 kilo equals what?
gram.
No, 1 kilo. I didn't say gram. 1 kilo is what? I told you earlier in this class only that I will ask you again. 1 kilo is what? Anyone else? Yes. Yes. 1 kilo. Okay. Next is I'll ask Kushi. Yes, Kushi. What is 1 kilo? 1 kilo.
Kilo is equal to 1,000 grams.
Yes, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. See, kilo is a prefix, right? In English, you have learned about prefixes and suffixes. Yes, I hope you have studied that. Okay, so kilo is another prefix, okay, which means 1000. It's a Greek word. Okay, kilo is a Greek word. So 1 kilo is equal to 1000. Kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Yes, very good, Krishna. Right? Everyone clear? Jai, say it properly. Yes, that's better, Jay. Anna, right? Okay, everyone. All right. So 1 kilo is equal to 1000. Okay, right? So this is how we write it in the equation form. Okay, this is how we write it in equation form. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So if I want to convert kilogram to gram, right? Kilogram to gram. If I want to convert kilogram to gram, then what I will do? I will multiply it with 1000. Okay, any kilogram, when I want to convert it into grams, all I have to do is multiply it with 1000. Okay, and since gram is a smaller unit, right, everyone, gram is a smaller unit. So if I want to convert gram, which is small unit, into kilogram, right, gram to kilogram, what I will do? I will have to divide it by 1000. Okay, everyone, note this down in your notebook. 1 kilogram into gram equals 1000 multiplied by 1000. Okay, and the other one, if you want to convert gram to kilogram, you have to divide it by 1000. and we know how to multiply and divide by thousands. We have seen this in previous chapters. Yes, everyone? Yes, Jill? You know how to multiply and divide by 1000? We have done this type of exercises in the previous chapter and the chapter before this, right? In tables and shares, and the last chapter, which was the junk seller, it was all about multiplication and divisions. So this is how we do it. Yes, everyone clear on this? Yes, very good, very good. So if I want to convert kilogram to gram, we multiply it by 1000. If I want to convert gram to kilogram, we divide by 1000. Okay, everyone? Yes, Krishna wants to say something. Yes, Krishna. Yes, Krishna, bolo. You want to say something?
सर
Bolo.
वो जो हाँ सर आपने जो अभी सिखाया ना किलोग्राम को मल्टीप्लाई 1000 और डिवाइड कर सकते हैं,
Yes.
तो उसकी जगह और भी क्या
Okay.
कर सकते हैं?
Right. Okay.
मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं
Okay. Fine. Let's see what we can do about it. Yes. Now you can mute
माइनस
yourself.
10
म्यूट करना है बेटा, राइट? अभी अब हो गया, मैं समझाता हूँ क्या करना है. आई विल एक्सप्लेन. यस, I will be sharing, I will be uploading this lecture on YouTube. You can see it again. I'm not going to share PDF with students on this one. Okay, please go to YouTube. Okay, now let's see one more example like this, right? Okay, right, let's see. Convert, that is the question, right? Convert. Okay, okay, let's start with convert. Okay, convert 2 kg into grams. 2 kg equals how many grams? Okay, now we know it, right? I know that some of you are very smart with mathematics. Yes, so you can do it very quickly, but it is also very important to do it properly. In mathematics, steps carry importance. Yes, so what we are going to write is, we know that. This is how we will write in the notebook, so you need to copy this. We know that. Okay, kg to gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 2 kg, it's a question mark, right? That's what we have to find. So what do? We multiply. Okay, so what will be the answer here, right? 2 into 1000 divided by 1. What will be the answer? 2000 grams. Okay, so we always write the final answer as 2 kg is equal to 2000 grams and put a box over it. Okay, yes, everyone, come on, note this down. This is how you should write all examples. Come on, do it fast. I'm going to give you count of 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Time's up. Okay, everyone? Yes, let's go to Yes, very good. Very good. Okay. Yeah, right. So let's try another example. Number 2. Convert 3 kg into grams. Now you find the answer and do it properly, right? Just like the way I showed it to you. Come on, do it fast. Let's do it quickly. No, don't type the answers, Siddhi, right? Come on, everyone. Let's do it quick. Every time we must write this. We know that. Okay, we know that kg to gram. 1 kg is 1000. So 3 kg is how much? Right? You can write it here. 3 into 1000 divided by 1, right, equals 3000. Okay, and then our final answer always in a box format. 3 kg is equal to 3000 grams. Come on, everyone. Let's do this quick. Yes. Yes, everyone. Yes, Swarnim. Come on. Finish it up. Right. Navya. Good job. Come on. Stop talking and start writing. Right. मम्मी से बोलो थोड़ी बातें कम करवाए आपसे, बाद में बात कर लेना. हाँ? मम्मी है या डैडी आपके साथ? Who is with you? Navya. Yes, Navya. Who is with you right now? Who are you talking to? Come on. Is it mommy? Is it mommy or daddy? Yeah? I can't hear you again. Yes. Unmute first. Yes, that's better.
I am talking to my grandmother.
Oh, with your daddy. Right. Okay. So ask your grandmother that while she was young like you, when she was young like you, what were the units and what did she do to measure? How did she measure different weights? Okay. This you ask her. Okay. Right, and learn it properly, and then you can share it with the class later on. Okay, right. Okay, that's very good. That's very good. Come on now. So another example, this one I'm going to give you as classwork now, right? Let's say 10 kg is equal to how many grams? Come on, do it fast and submit your answers in chat box. Chop chop. Let's do it. Come on, be quick. Come on, do it fast. So we started the class little bit late because of internet problems. So we will take five more minutes. Okay. Even after the time is over, we will be taking more time. I'm telling so that Devans doesn't tell me, sir, time is up. Right? Come on, everyone. Yes. Very good. Very good. Come on. Work it out. Work your magic. My math superheroes, work your magic. Come on, let's do it. Yes, very good. So many correct answers already. Very good, Jay. I see that you have done your work. Good work. Very good. So many correct answers. Very easy. So 10 kg is 10,000 kgs. Multiply by 10. Simple. Yes. All you have to do is multiply by 1000. Right? 10 into 1000. This one I am doing it by mental math. Okay. So 10,000. I'm not going to do the steps like you. Right? This is your final answer. Okay. So now we will be doing grams to kilograms. Now this is very important example. So please pay attention. Put your pencils down, everyone. Pencils down. Everyone, Vaishnavi, pencil down. You can again see this video on YouTube, right? But for now, put your pencils down. Very good. Okay, let's see how what you can do about this one, right? Another type of example, right? Number 5, where I'm going to give you 8,000 grams. Sorry, let me write it properly. 8,000 gram is equal to how many kgs we have to find. Okay, so first of all, again, we know that, right? Gram to kg. How many grams is 1 kilogram? 1,000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So 8,000 gram is how many kgs, right? So what will we do? We will write it here. Okay, this will be cross multiply here and cross multiply here. So 8,000 into 1 divided by 1,000. Okay, now we know the division. We know the division that if there are 3 zeros, right, we can cut them out like this, and we can write 8 kg, right? So 8,000 gram is equal to 8 kg. That is your final answer. Yes, come on, come on, finish it up. Note it down. Now you can write it down. Do it fast, right? Come on, finish it up. Let's do it quickly. Yes, very good, Nirva. Good job. Come on, do it fast. Jill Panchal, note it down. Come on, everyone. Yes, do it fast. Good job. Ayush, write it down fast. Already done. Wow, very good. Right? Come on, do it fast. Nandani, do it fast. Come on, come on. Let's finish it up. Hit Patel, Tanmay, come on. Let's finish it up. Done, everyone? Okay. So let's do one more example. Number 6. Now here I am going to do 12,000 gram is equal to how many kgs? Come on, let's do this. So we know that gram to kilogram. 1,000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So 12,000 is equal to how many? Right? Cross multiplication, right? Which is going to be 12,000 into 1 divided by 1,000. 3 zeros cancel, 3 zeros cancel. Answer will be 12 kg. Come on, finish it up. Very good. Okay. Yes, everyone done. Very good. Very good. Okay. Well done. Okay. Very good, everyone. That's very good. Okay. Right. Sheetal Parekh wants to say something. Sheetal Parekh, where is he? I can't see him. Where is he? Yes, Sheet. Bolo. Unmute yourself and tell me. Yes, beta.
और ये जो है ये नोटबुक में ही लिखना है ना?
Yes. Come on, finish it up. Okay. Okay. Done. Right. So your homework of the day. your homework of the day is worksheet number 90. Okay, worksheet number 90. That is your homework. Okay, everyone. Yes, try to see that if you can do it. Otherwise, don't worry. We will take it up in the next session. Okay, right? All right, everyone. Yes. Okay, everyone. That's it for the day. We'll see you in the next session. Bye bye. Bye bye, everyone.